Experience the serene allure of rural life. Wake up to the symphony of nature, where bird songs replace alarm clocks. Immerse yourself in the simplicity of rustic living. Breathe in the fresh, unpolluted air, a rare urban luxury. Engage with the locals, soak in their warmth and hospitality. Learn about their rich traditions, passed down through generations. Find peace in the rhythm of daily chores, from milking cows to harvesting crops. Feel the satisfaction of a hard day's work. Last, watch the sunset over rolling fields. A sight that will remind you of the simple, yet profound beauty of rural life.